kids. How you doing? Had a little rain here at my house. Has it been raining at your house? I thought I'd take a look, walk around, see what's changed. Hey, come with me. Look at that. A lot of leaves have been blown out of the trees. These little pink blossoms. They came off of a tree over here. There it is. Can you see it? Those pink blossoms in the tree. And look, you can just see in the tree a wee little Tui who's having a nice drink from those blossoms. Can you see him? There he is. He's flitting from branch to branch. Did you see him? Let's see what else is going on. Gotta be careful walking down these steps. They're wet. That's why I'm not running. It's gotten a bit muddy. It's a lot of mud. Some lemons. That's a big one. It's almost as big as my head. There's some more. Can you say lemon cheesecake? I think they must have gotten blown off by the wind. There was a bit of wind here. Was it windy at your house? You know, I think it'd be very nice if you could take some photographs or maybe make a video. Show me what's been going on at your house during the rain. Anything that's changed, anything new, anything really wet. I'd love to see that. Talk to you soon.